chose Mark and Horizon Construction because we had a previous experience with the company that was very positive. So when we decided to do this big project, after several other interviews with contractors, we chose Mark. So Mark and my husband and I collaborated together and came up with the design for the patio cover and for the pool remodel. Also the addition to the house, the bathroom, and addition a few feet to an extra bedroom, which was done beautifully, perfectly, and we're very happy with that. The pool is my favorite part because it was such a monstrous project and it sat empty for so long. It's such a delight to have it filled and beautiful and able to enjoy it now. So if anyone is considering a construction project, Horizon Construction is an excellent company, and they would be able to provide any direction for even a complicated project. My husband and I are very pleased to work with the company.